Did you know that you can convert an EPS file to a DXF file that you can open up in AutoCAD? On the screen, I have a PDF of a sign for a bike lane, but I also have the EPS file that I want to convert to a DXF so I can import it into AutoCAD. To do the conversion, you just need to get a converter, and there's a free one online called Convertio. So let me show you how to work with this. First of all, I'll go to Convertio. It's just convertio.co, and it's a file converter. It's free. It'll let you do 3 or 4 files a day, and then you can subscribe if you want faster service or you want to be able to do more. But I'm going to say here I want to choose the file that I want to convert, and then I will choose the EPS file that I've already downloaded that I want to convert to a DXF. Choose Open. Once I do that, it's going to tell me here what type of file do I want to convert it to, and I'll say I want to convert it to a DXF file, and then choose Convert. Once I do that, it will come, it takes a moment to download this file. It doesn't take very long, and you'll see it's already done. It says to download, so I'm going to just click on download here, and when I download it, I can now open it in AutoCAD. Now you might think, oh, this is a blank drawing, but what happens is it downloads it, but it's a really big drawing. So if I zoom extents, you see that it's actually there, and it gives me all the line work that I need for my drawing. But if I were to put a dimension on here, you would see that it's actually quite large. So if I say, what's the distance from there to there, and then zoom up somewhere in the middle here, well, you can see that it's actually very, very large indeed. It's 7,200 units, 7,200 inches basically, which is way larger than what we need. Really, this sign should only be 24 inches wide. So the final step that you want to do is you want to use your scale option or your scale command with the reference option. So I'll say scale, and the objects that I want to scale are that sign, and then I want my base point to be 0, 0. And then I'm going to use the reference option, and I'm going to say my reference distance is the distance from the outside there. I'll pick that corner all the way over here to the outside here. I'll pick that corner right there. And then my actual size that I want it to be is 24. And then zoom extents. Now you can see that I've scaled it down, and if I put a couple dimensions on there, from that corner there, I don't know if that's really going to line up, it won't matter, to there, it's 23.99, so it's 1/1000th of an inch off. I must have done something a little bit wrong, but for what most of our work is going to be, especially for something like a road sign, that's actually going to be quite close. So it's 24 by 18, and it's exactly the correct geometry that you need. Then you can simply copy that and paste it into a drawing, or you can make a block out of it and insert it into a drawing, whatever works for you. Hope this helps.